If you want to grow your email list without spending money on ads, use this proven 3-step system to get thousands of new subscribers. This is the exact same system that helped our client go from 38,500 to 257,000 subscribers in just 20 months without spending a penny on advertising. Our client in the art industry increased their opt-in rate by 900%, and another client now gets 5,000 to 10,000 new subscribers every single month. Stay until the end to get a free lead magnet optimization guide that's going to walk you through the whole process step by step. So step 1 is create an irresistible lead magnet. This is the crucial first step. A lead magnet is a free, valuable resource that you give away in exchange for someone's email address. Now, a lead magnet can take many forms: checklists, templates, ebooks, or even a video series. The key is that it provides immediate value to your audience. For example, one of our clients offers free digital painting brushes, which perfectly aligns with their target audience's interests and needs. Now, here's where many people go wrong. They simply ask visitors to join our newsletter without offering any compelling reason to do so. And this approach often results in disappointingly low opt-in rates. So typically, if this is on a website, I'm seeing, with just a newsletter opt-in without the lead magnet at all, opt-in rate of about 0.25%. And once you get the lead magnet in place, that is going to double, maybe even more, depending on how good the lead magnet is. Now, your potential subscribers aren't asking, what newsletter can I join today? They're asking, what's in it for me? And if you can't answer that question clearly and convincingly, they're likely to scroll right past your sign-up form. So what makes a lead magnet irresistible? It's all about relevance and perceived value. So take that client who offers the digital paintbrushes. Their lead magnet is specific, immediately useful, and directly related to what their audience wants. And this targeted approach has proven incredibly effective. So let me show you what they did. So this was their site before. It said, as you can see here, 10 free tutorials and resources. Didn't tell you exactly what it was. There's no clear value proposition. There's no specific offer. On the new version, we can see that it says download the brush pack. We've got the Daily 5 Challenge, build an art habit, develop a daily art habit that's going to take your skills to new heights with the Daily 5 Challenge. Download the free brushes and get started. So there's a really clear value proposition. And when you click it, it brings up this pop-up. And that pop-up makes it's like a micro commitment. So once they've clicked that, they're already basically saying to themselves, I want this thing. They click it to download it, and then it asks for their email address. So that made a massive difference. Now, on that pop-up, what we've got is we're asking, where can we send your free brushes? Which is a great headline. That tells them you are going to get those brushes when we get your email address here. It's matching GDPR because it's saying join the newsletter and then you're going to get the brushes. So it's not saying get the brushes and we'll just add you to the newsletter. It's saying, no, you're joining the newsletter. That's the primary thing. And the brushes is secondary. It gives clear value up front. It makes the offer specific and tangible. Overall, this is really, really good. This converts really, really well. And if you're stuck on what kind of lead magnet to create, check out this video where I'm going to share 10 proven lead magnet ideas that help build 6-figure email lists. Step 2, promote the lead magnet everywhere. Once you've got a great lead magnet, here's how to get it in front of your audience. Let me show you what we did with a real client who had over 100 blog posts on their website. The first thing that we need to figure out was which were the most popular blog posts. We wanted to do an 80-20 and make sure we just made the changes on the top posts to begin with, and then we would do the others over time. But how do you know which are the most popular blog posts? So the first step is to use Google Analytics to find that most popular content. Here's exactly how. I've opened up Google Analytics, I click on reports, then on engagement, then pages and screens. Then I'm going to change the date to be for the last couple of years. And then I want to filter down to just blog posts. So I put in here /blog, and that only shows stuff that in the URL has got /blog in there. So it shows the most popular blog posts at the top and then down from there. And we discovered here the 80-20 rule in action. 20% of their blog posts were getting 80% of the traffic. So instead of trying to update 100 plus posts all at once, we focused on their top performing content first. And here's exactly what we added. We gave 2 different types of pop-ups. A pop-up with a form where they can leave their email address and download the free resource you have for them, and a site-wide pop-up with a 30-second delay showing just enough relevant information for the audience, with clear call to action buttons, visual inline sections showing exactly what they get, and strategically placed opt-in forms within the content. So let me show you what that looks like. This is the site, and if I go here, to articles, you'll see there is a button at the top. And if I click that, it brings up the pop-up. And again, we've got a compelling headline. We're telling them they'll join the newsletter and then they'll get this as a gift. We're asking for just a couple of fields, name and email address. And then we've got this image over here of Teal herself. Then within the blog post, if I click on here, you're going to see again, there's a button at the top and there's an ad in the sidebar. And if I click that, it brings up the pop-up. They all bring up that same pop-up. And as I scroll through the post, there's more ads promoting that same lead magnet in different ways. This one lists out what the 5 free meditations are. If I click it, it brings up the same pop-up. And this one is more image-based. So wherever somebody goes on the site, they're going to get different kinds of promotion for that same lead magnet. Now, if you're creating content on social media, you can also mention it in every YouTube video, put it in your pinned comments, add it to your video descriptions in the first line. For Instagram, promote it on every 10th post, add it to your bio links. Now, I've included detailed placement templates and examples in my free lead magnet optimization guide, so you can check that out using the link below. Now, step 3, remove this one critical barrier. This step comes from real conversion data across multiple clients. When we looked at the data, we discovered that double opt-in was cutting our conversion rates significantly. Here's what happens with double opt-in. Someone signs up for your lead magnet, they have to go check their email, they need to click a confirmation link, and only then do they get onto your email list. And what we found was that even interested subscribers would often miss that confirmation email or forget to click it. So by removing this extra step while still maintaining proper GDPR compliance, we saw immediate improvements in our conversion rates. The key is to track your opt-in results carefully. So we recommend monitoring these KPIs weekly and monthly. Here's our tracking spreadsheet template that we use internally. If you want to get a copy of that, just drop me an email, john@datadrivenmarketing.co, and I'll send it through to you. To implement everything you learned today more easily, grab my free lead magnet optimization guide. It's in the pinned comment and description below. It shows you exactly how to create high converting lead magnets, where to place them, and then how to track their performance with real examples that you can copy. Hit subscribe because in future videos, I'm also going to be showing you exactly how to turn these subscribers into paying customers.